Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to integrate AWeber with LeadPages. If you're new to AWeber, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account. This allows you to connect LeadPages with AWeber. Once you're logged in, go to the Zapier dashboard. Click Create, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions while setting up, don't worry, the Copilot feature will guide you through the process. Next, choose both LeadPages and AWeber from the available options and fill out all the required details on the right side of your screen. If you haven't connected your AWeber account yet, you'll see a Sign In option. Click it, enter your login details, and click Allow Access. Your AWeber account will now be connected to Zapier. Now repeat the same process for your LeadPages account. Click Sign In, enter your email and password, and your account will be connected. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to review and configure your settings as needed. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! Your automation is ready. I hope this video makes the process simple and clear for you. Thanks for watching.